In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stocks to MetaTrader 5. If you're new to the platform, this is a useful skill because the stock you want to view may not appear in your list by default. The good news is that adding it is quick and easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Make sure the platform has fully loaded so all panels and menus are available. Once you're inside, look over to the left side of the screen for the Market Watch window. This is the panel that shows the instruments currently available in your watch list, such as currency pairs, indices, or stocks. If the Market Watch window is already visible, you're ready to continue. The important thing here is simply confirming that this panel is open, because that's where you'll manage and access the symbols you want to add. Next, move your mouse anywhere inside the Market Watch window, then right-click. A context menu will appear. From that menu, select Symbols. This opens the Symbols menu, which is where MetaTrader 5 organizes all available trading instruments. Think of this as the master list for everything your broker makes accessible on the platform. Once the symbols window is open, you can either browse through the folders or use the search bar in the top right area to find a specific stock more quickly. Browsing is helpful if you want to explore categories, while the search bar is the fastest option if you already know the stock name or ticker. Take a moment here to make sure you select the exact symbol you want, since some stocks may appear in different categories or formats. When you find the stock you want to add, click on it, then click Show. After you do this, the icon next to that symbol will change from gray to gold. That color change is your confirmation that the stock is now visible in your market watch list. If you don't see it right away, give the list a quick look as it may appear among the other available instruments. Finally, to open the stock on a chart, go back to Market Watch and find the symbol you just added. You can either double-click it to open the chart immediately or right-click it and choose Chart Window. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels more comfortable. And that's it. You've successfully added a stock to MetaTrader 5 and opened its chart for viewing. Once you're comfortable with this process, adding more stocks becomes very fast and straightforward.